To go with my faulty Xbox Series X console, I got a Series X controller. And to go with my faulty PlayStation 5 console, I got a PlayStation 5 controller. Faulty. Let's fix them. They were both off different sellers. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but I'll put it here and here. I probably paid too much for them. This one, if I remember rightly, it was a problem with... Yes, okay, we can't press this button in. I don't know if it's only that, but that does not click. And this one, I can't remember. I think it was an analog stick, but this one comes on. Like so. Let's just see if this one comes on. Pop some batteries in. Nice. Yes, that one also comes on, which is nice. Right, so let's go and hook them up to the laptop and use the gamepad tester.
Let's start with the PlayStation 5 controller. Smooth. On the left thumbstick, pressing right makes it go left. Pressing diagonally down and right makes it go up and left. Pressing up makes it go a little bit to the left. It's very strange. On the positive side, the right thumbstick and all the rest of the buttons work perfectly. Shabba. Moving on to the Xbox Series X controller. The RB button does indeed not work. But also, the left analog stick is acting a bit strange. It appears to work, but it doesn't go up all the way. It will only go about 70% of the way, which is not enough of the way. Nice.
Okay, so let's start with this one. Ow.
Faulty controllers to go with my faulty consoles. Let's fix them up. Better than Nick Knowles fixes DIY in his SOS way. Okay, no more delay, let's get this underway. And yes, I swiped this song from Macho Nacho. Tito, if you're watching, love your work, you know. McGibble Skyview 22, Diamond Sloan is T. How am I supposed to pronounce that G? John Prushik who I get inflammate on base. Make Adams Oz, Newton, Titter in the place. Jam like Dr. Princess Wizard, Key. Flux when Jockey and Tim and RVE. This song is really smooth, just like my bars. Sarah Cat, Dr. Frankenstein, the superstars. Kanglebird Nate, insert stupid name here. Weston and Fred Chauvier. Andrea Facio, then Rush Daft Willie. Sniping like Price in his suit known as Gilly. Ellis Garbett, Infinity Markovitz 19. Jonathan Harden here to intervene. Adam Taylor, lefty to his friends. Jonathan Wiggs bringing us near the end. I quite enjoyed this rap, although it was slow. Give it up everybody from Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
Alright, what do I do now? In case you're wondering, I've never taken one of these apart before. I guess that's pretty obvious from the fact that I don't know what I'm doing. A piece of plastic just fell out. Right, well that's that off. So how do they work? I have literally no idea how these work. Okay, well it's clicking there. Ah. Okay, so this piece of plastic here, yeah, look at that, there we go. It's broke. It's still hanging on there, but it is broken away. Is there anything I can do? Will super glue fix that? Probably would do for a bit, wouldn't it? But I don't know if that would be a lasting repair. I don't know actually. I think it's worth a try. Because it's not like you put that much pressure on, is it? I mean, if you hit it really hard, it would probably snap again, but I'm going to try it. And I'll just pretend those bits weren't there. Yoo-hoo! Trusty cocktail umbrella. Right, well, that's gone back into place. Let's leave it for a bit and see how solid it is. And just while that's solidifying, let's have a look at this thumbstick. Let's see if we can drop some IPA in there, give it a clean. Hopefully that's all it needs. I guess it's this side here that's dirty, but let's clean all of it. Isopropyl alcohol. Might as well do the other one while I'm here. See how this is doing? Yes. That feels solid. I think that might be okay. Right, well, let's pop all this back together and let's see if it works. I suspect this might still have problems, but we'll find out. It definitely clicks better. So I think that is going to work just fine.
Okay, it's time to plug this bad boy in. Nice. Let's see if it works. LB button works. RB button works. Come on. Let's see if the analog sticks work. Right analog stick still works. Left analog stick. Oh yes, it goes up all the way. It works.
So that appears to be working absolutely fine. So I'm going to put it all fully back together, give it a clean, get rid of some of this
finger cheese
in these grooves here, and then we'll move on to the PlayStation 5. I don't think I'm going to get away with just cleaning this one. I think this is going to need replacing. Let's take it apart and have a look though. How'd you take it apart? That was quite easy to take apart. There's a red wire that isn't attached to anything there. I'm going to take a guess that someone's been in here before. I mean, I don't know, maybe not. But that won't affect the analog stick, will it? That's just the haptic feedback or whatever it's called. But yeah, that's obviously meant to be attached. Right. So it was this one. Okay. Let's see if we can get inside here and have a look. Let's have a look under the microscope. Right, so this is the left and right one. I mean, it's got a bit of debris on it, but I don't think it looks that bad.
Are you blind?
So let's have a look at the other side. So this is the up and down one, which I think is the problem one. Oh, I mean, that also looks okay, doesn't it? I am going to give it a clean, because obviously that would be the easiest fix. But I have bought a couple of replacement ones of these, just in case, so I can swap them out. I mean, potentially, potentiometrically, I could just change these potentiometry type things, rather than replacing the whole thing. Oh, hang on, wait. Why didn't I notice this before? This. Is it worn away there? Because it doesn't look like that one. Why is it worn away? Right, here's the replacement one. I know it's got different colour potentiometer things on it, but I'm thinking if I take one of these off and just swap it with the original one, maybe it'll start working. So in order to do that, it's these 3 points here. So I'm going to add some leaded solder on there and see if we can lower the melting temperature. It'd be great if I could get this out without having to use a solder sucker again. I'm going to try it. It's almost out. It's moving all over the place. Try again. There we go. Let's clean that up a bit. My solder sucker isn't working properly, and my moving solder sucker is in storage. Right, let's try and pop the new one in. Right, it's in. Is it going to clip in? Yes, it is. Right, I've just had to swap the wiper for the original one because the one that comes with it has got a slightly larger hole in it. So when you move the analog stick, it doesn't it doesn't move it properly. So I'm going to try the original wiper in it, which looked absolutely fine. Let's pop this in and see if we can get some proper movement on it now. Yes. See, it wasn't doing that before. I mean, it might not work, it might not be compatible. I bought these from Replace Base, I think it was, so it was somewhere reputable. I mean, they're obviously not original ones, but... Right, well, let's try and pop this back together and let's see if this is going to work now. Fingers crossed. Nope, it doesn't work. You can see it's all the way to the left. Well, it's not all the way to the left, but it's pointing left without me pressing anything. And it's still going up when I press right. Okay, I think I'm going to have to replace the whole thing. Right, let's board back out. Let's take this one off and let's put a new one on in its place. Okay, let's see if that works. Alright, here goes. Oh, it's in the middle.
Almost, Steve. Unfortunately, it's a little bit to the right. But, you know, we'll take it. It goes up. It goes left. It goes right. It goes down. It goes left, up, round, around, around.
2 faulty controllers, Now, 2 working controllers. Nice. Stupid controllers.
I hope someday you'll let me go. Release me from my bed. I need to feel you. You need to feel me. I can't control you. You're not the one for me now.